Linksys WRT AC3200 dual band router. Perfect. Today we're opening a Linksys WRT AC3200 dual band router. We ordered from Amazon, obviously. Heavier than I thought it would be. Nice pal, I should have put the knife away. Well. So we'll take it out of its box. Little black clamshell. It comes with the 4 antennas it needs, an Ethernet cord, and its own power brick. Paid $189 for it. The reason we bought it is because we're currently paying $12 a month for a Verizon router that's slower and can't handle the internet speeds that we're buying. The 4 antennas, shaped like little blades, go on each one of these points. So here, 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 and here. They have a little knob that rocks forward, and then they just screw on. It's as easy as it can be. You should keep it straight, and they screw in. And they pop up. Simple as that, provides better coverage. Installation should be easy once we have it up on the network. Someone will have to log in, change the basic username and password, because that is the easiest way to break into a network, is people get lazy and they don't change things. So always use a strong password. Always take it off user as the default username. Little things like this can save you a ton of trouble down the line when someone tries to scrape your network details. If you want more tips and tricks like this, you should check out AskCybersecurity.com, where besides running news reports on what's going on in the cyber world, we teach you basic cyber hygiene that'll keep you from getting hacked like 90% of the population with just a little bit of effort. It doesn't take much to stay safe and stay secure.